Limiting beliefs versus wisdom. Beliefs keep us stuck. Wisdom helps us see beyond past experiences or trauma. Be wise and let not fear through self-limiting beliefs which cause negative thoughts or attitudes then hold us. This at times can hinder our personal growth and success. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal norms, or traumas. Fear often shows up disguised as self-limiting beliefs, the quiet voice that says you can't, you're not enough, or you'll fail again. But here's the truth. Those beliefs are not the reality of who you are. They're echoes from the past, shaped by old experiences, societal pressure, or even deep hurts and traumas. When we let fear drive, it plants negative thoughts and attitudes that hold us back. It convinces us to stay small when we were meant to grow. And that's how personal success and joy get delayed. But every time you challenge a limiting belief, you break fear's cycle. Every time you choose courage over doubt, you reclaim a little more of your power. Every time you replace I can't with I will, you build a new story for yourself. Fear doesn't get to have the final say, you do. And your choice to renew your mind and speak life over yourself is the first step toward lasting growth and breakthrough. Remember, every new day is a fresh opportunity to renew your mind and speak life over yourself. You are stronger than your doubts. Rid the ashes of a shattered life to move forward. Fear often plants self-limiting beliefs that hold us back, but wisdom helps us see the truth. You are stronger than your doubts. Every day is a chance to renew your mind, walk in clarity, and plan with peace. If you'd like support on this journey, stay tuned by subscribing to our YouTube channel at Moving Forward Co. Media.